Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. And we are in Bangalore, and I do want to show you our apartment here in Bangalore. And we are in Marathahalli or something, yeah, which is, basically, well, not only here, but this is near or within the IT hub of India, of Bangalore. Basically, let's call it the Silicon Valley of Bangalore. Mostly there are tech people living here, and there are lots of these brand new buildings, like this one. This is a brand new building. This is a virgin building. I'm not sure if this is a generator, but we haven't had long power cuts, which are in the south of India quite common. We have our stroller down here. But anyway, so let's go and check it out, right? Fourth floor. This very modern elevator. Not sure. It makes sometimes noises that I do not like. Not so much now anymore. Anyway. Arrived yesterday by an overnight bus from Hyderabad, which is also just a giant city. Here also giant city. But anyway, so the whole area, this area is actually an old area, but now it's shoes down here. Got all our shoes there, which is now getting popular because there are all these tech parks around. I'll show you. At least from the outside, I'm not sure if I can enter, but let that be a problem of one of the next videos. Anyway, this is our apartment 403. Is an Airbnb. It's about $20 a night, like 20 US or 19 US something. So it's all right. It's a small apartment, right? But it's okay. See, all is new. Door is new. This is my new wife. Oh no, that's the same wife. She's making breakfast. She's making our 10 o'clock breakfast, our 12 egg omelette, right? Everything in order. See, this has not been used before. Hey kids are drawing here. Yeah, so this is a bit of a small room. The kitchen, living room. Kitchen come living room come bedroom, because this mattress here turns into a queen size bed actually, and we have just spent the night on it. Well, part of us did, and it was good. It's just the room is a bit smaller than advertised on Airbnb. I mean, it's just like the picture. You can take a picture and making the room look very big, or making the room seem like it really is, right? Anyway, so boy, you're drawing? Don't you draw on the wall? These are, anyway. No, I'm not mentioning it. I'm not recommending him. So anyway, this is all new. All these pans have never been used. We did some grocery shopping yesterday. Honey, popcorn, pasta, breads. So we're having bread now. See, they're all these pots. They're all brand new. All brand new stuff. Brand new. See, this is our stuff. Brand new knives. Brand new pans. We had that red wine.
Breaking everything.
Yeah, no, we had that wine last night when we arrived here. So that's our liquor shop's right next door. And butter. And I bought like 30 eggs, like a crate of eggs, like a tray of eggs. But he put it in a bag, in a paper bag. So of course, a couple of the eggs broke, and I don't know why I bought it like that. Anyway. So I had to clean my bag. So all this Swiss money, by the way. See, this is the Swiss money, 2 francs, and then there's my Ganesha, my protector. So in my bag, so the bag's clean. Anyway, the home tour is a bit of a problem because there's not much of a home, right? Anyway, there's a TV. We got Prime Video here, which is good. I mean, you also if you have Netflix or there's YouTube and all kinds of apps. Very good. Little cupboard. It's all nice. It's actually not very hot, so we're not even using the fan. It's not only for the video. Should I show you more? So there's just plenty of different pans and pots and see, it's all like these steelware from India. Like these cups of coffees and the glasses. You know, all kinds of things, you know. Oh, there's nothing there. Yeah, well, fair enough, right? So you have enough. You have these plates, these steel plates, which is also very, very India. Very cool, I like it. Water filter. So you have the clean water. We have a balcony, also very small. On the pictures it looks a bit bigger. We have a new, see, this is my bag. See, I washed this bag. And all the eggs is out. Washing machine, have not used it yet. I'm sure we will be using it later on. We got a broom. We got you know, like a whatever cleaning stuff, and this is the view over the city. Now part of the city. Yeah, Marathahalli, something like that. Yeah, I will make a video. You walk this street, and then the whole main street is all full of Adobe, all these tech companies, and then some engineering colleges, IT colleges. It's all happening here. It's quite convenient that we're here, because yeah, would have come here, it would have been a problem maybe. But anyway, see, it's all nice. The walls are nice, the doors are nice. It's all, see, it is brand new. And I've checked bathroom. It's still wet. I've taken a shower, but I hear also brush the teeth. Anyway, it's all new. Of course, it's been used once since yesterday, since we got here. Even also toilet, very nice, very fresh and clean, and it's all. You have the hose here. This is a thing that they don't use in Europe. They do use it in Asia. We use it. We are used to it. All my kids grew up with it. It's like when we visit Europe, it's like, I mean, this is the thing. In Europe, they think they're more developed, or they're further, whatever. They're not, because they're using toilet paper, and you know, I don't want to get into detail, but it's pretty disgusting. Anyway, so there's a boiler. We have hot water. We have an okay shower, cannot complain at all. Hot water, of course, and yeah, here's the bedroom. And yeah, this is where I work. This is my computer, HP. They're not paying me for that, to say that. This is the cupboard with a mirror, of course. And yeah, see, this is our stuff. It's my daughter's stuff, you can see. There's my son's stuff, or my two sons' stuff, whatever. This is my stuff, and they're playing here. They have their little PlayStations set up like in various locations. Yeah, so this is how we set up our bags underneath the bed. That's how long-term travelers do it, and maybe even short-term travelers. That's my daughter's bag. This is another one, bed. So we have like two large beds. The bed, the one in the living room is even bigger. And yeah, you have. I opened the curtains before and they broke down. See, this is, well, made in India, right? These are the curtains. Quite nice actually. So I have to tell the guy to fix that. And you can tell that. See, they tried it twice, and then this is press it in. And yeah, this is also, you know, I must say, India is growing here, around here. There are lots of nice houses, and it's you know, it's all technological and all, but still these little things. The little things that will blow in your face eventually. It's like when it's cheap labor is used, and then they don't really know what they're doing. They've not really learned their trade, and this is what happens. These are the little details. Also, like yesterday, we didn't have water once, and of course, there's a power cut. There's an invertebrator, or there's a generator downstairs, but still, it took like 20 minutes to switch. You know, not complain. And there was no water for an hour. I messaged the boss, and then that was taken care of. But still, these things should happen immediately. And yeah. These little technical issues, I'm not complaining, not saying it's bad, but yeah, that's what it does. Anyway, guys, this is my room and my apartment tour. It's a small apartment, but we're feeling good here, right? Are we?
Yes.
Do you feel good here?
Yes.
Very small though, but you do realize it's small. I mean, because you're small, you don't realize it's that small. For her, it's a huge apartment. Vincent, and do you like it here?
Yeah.
And what are you drawing? Are you drawing a Christmas tree?
No.
What is that? What is it then? You don't want to explain? Jux. Jux? What is it, dude? Come on, don't be shy. Never mind, okay. All right, so let's have breakfast, I would say. Yeah. Have some omelette, some eggs, some coffee, some whatever. And then look around here a little bit. We do want to have Bangalore. Oh, SpongeBob. Well, isn't that cute? Now, anyway, this is good, right? Yes. Illuminati, huh? Are you drawing the Illuminati or the sign of the Illuminati?
But the stars aren't supposed to be there.
The stars aren't
It's like a
supposed to.
Christmas
Oh,
tree
that's like the Illuminati pyramid. See, this is my son, you know, like all conspiracy theories, right? But well, maybe like Elon Musk said, some of these theories become true. So I wouldn't be so sure about the elites telling you what are conspiracy theories and what not, because that's the term they made up, you know. But anyway, let's not get political, guys. Anyway, yeah, all good on the western front, I think, right? Yes. Anyway, I'll be showing you a little bit of that tech stuff here and the foods. We wanted to have a first breakfast in Bangalore. Outside, actually. Now we're having breakfast here, but it's okay. Tomorrow morning we'll have breakfast somewhere down the road in a tech city, whatever, or just somewhere, and I'll show you, because it's every state it'll be different. So from Hyderabad to here it'll be very different. Although the breakfast we had there was very Southern Indian, and this is very mid-European American. But anyway, I'll talk to you in my next video. Take good care. Bye bye. So bye bye. Bye bye. Oh, yes. He waved. Okay, bye bye. Bye, guys.